We specialize in shaveless or no-shave FUE. Since 2013, I have been performing shaveless and no-shave procedures. I've done millions of grafts on a whole array of patients. Long hair, patients with textured hair, say African textured hair, no shave, even with long dreadlocks, or people that have kind of normal length hair and just want to go stealth. So when I do my consultations with patients and there's a choice between no shave and shaved, I always tell them this is your decision. The fact of the matter is that a graft for both procedures is exactly the same and the results are the same. Hair transplantation is very private. It's something that hits patients from an emotional standpoint at a very high level. And there's kind of an embarrassment, unfortunately, associated for some patients going through this process. And what we have done is taken this shaveless approach and done it in a way so that when you leave, your donor site looks the same as when you walked in for the procedure. That takes a lot of ingenuity and a lot of forethought and experience. Our technique has been verified through our reviews on Google and our results that we publish. The other aspect of no shave is that we do not need to shave the top of your head. A lot of offices only recommend a shaved procedure. And for most people, especially in active work and social settings, shaving your head is not an option. The reason that we do not shave the top of the head is that we do what's called direct hair implantation. And so the grafts are loaded into implanter pens and we can easily place in between the existing long hair to also add to the concealment of the procedure. So it's a combination of a no-shave procedure for the donor site and the DHI procedure for the implantation that sets our practice apart as a unique partner with you to make this whole experience effective and concealed. If you're interested in our process and you would like to have a consultation with me, Dr. Goldstein, or one of our physician's assistants, please call us at 678-845-7521. Reach us on the web at nahairrestoration.com. We're happy to help.